What up, tubers? This is Ray from RWC Web, Rayware Computers, since 1996. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Go to rwcweb.com, put your best email in this box here, and I shall send you oodles upon oodles of great stuff, free stuff, how to build landing pages, bridge pages, sales pages, all kinds of pages to help your affiliate marketing go to the fullest extent that you could probably get it. Okay, got my new YouTube channel. Gonna ask you to like and subscribe because that's what they tell me to do. Only started it about a month ago. Got a couple people signing up. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Okay. Just like in affiliate marketing, don't let these guys tell you it's not a lot of work. It's not copy and paste bull crap. Okay. Don't let them schmoze you, but it can be done with a little perseverance. Okay. And a lot of knowledge and experience and skills. You need the skills to do this stuff. Let's face it. Okay. So I want to talk to you about these sample landing pages. Okay. Mine, I like to keep them short, sweet, simple, to the point, direct. Do your thing, get it, get that name on there, get that email on there, and get your stuff going. You got to build a list, gang. You got to build a list. Very important. Goes hand in hand with these websites, okay? So now I found a couple of really cool sites. Now this one here, I believe I saw this one on YouTube ad, and it took me here, okay? This is kind of a long, what they call squeeze page. All right, in the old days, I think this might have even been a, because I see down here, this is a PLR thing going on here, okay? That's probably where I got it from. Let me just check this out real quick, okay? And you know, you got to do your investigating on these sites that you're going to be doing business with, okay? Okay, I must have signed up to this. I don't remember where I got this from. So I go through so much stuff, okay? But this is a basic, you know, squeeze page, landing page. Now, if this was in the PLO rights thing, private label rights thing, probably something that they gave you for free. These do work. They've been around forever. In the beginning, everyone was doing it like this because they really, you know, because of the low bandwidth with dial-up modems and shit like that, everything was dog slow. I remember I would download a 4 megabyte file, shut my monitor off, come back to my computer the next day, and it would still be downloaded, okay? Yeah, that was in the early 1990s. It was in the 90s. Okay, so I got my template up here. Let me see where what I do with my template. Okay, this is my Aweber account here that I use as a template. If you sign up through me with Aweber, okay, I'll be able to share these templates directly with you, okay? I am an affiliate. I do get a small commission, but the price for Aweber is the same for you. It's free up to your first 500 emails, okay? Now, basically, we're going to critique this real quick, okay? Powerful headline, okay? Powerful headline, powerful headline, okay? These are all great sites, okay? This was something I actually signed up for. I believe, see, what I do is, like when I'm surfing YouTube and I see these ads come up, I let them play, see what they're about, and I critique them so I can bring you information on how to build your affiliate pages, okay? Now, this was actually a good thing. I'm going to be investigating this because I like to do stuff in the real world too, okay? I've got my AmericanMailOrder.com going on. Okay. And what this is a giant flyer that I produced for local businesses. And then it gets mailed out in my zip code over here in Rahway, New Jersey. Okay, so you want to try and make, whenever you hear that term, multiple streams of income, you can make real money in the real world too. Don't just limit everything to online. Don't be lazy. Get out there and do your thing. Now this guy's got a great page here. Okay, there's the headline, right? Let me get my poop together over here. All right, let me get my poop together over here. Okay, your introduction goes here. No more than 4 lines. Okay, introduction. I'm going to discover this. 3 lines there. Let's see what this guy's got. Okay, introduction here. Okay, right here. Awesome colors. Remember the colors are green is trust color. Okay, blue is a trust color. Awesome. Okay, so he's got his awesome headline and his, he's got his lead magnet right here going on. Now, rather than have this part here, okay, he's got his video. Okay, you're going to describe the problem to be solved. Okay, all right. How to start an Airbnb business without any properties. Okay, all right. So it's going to tell you about his product here. Okay. Okay. How your product will solve your subscriber's problem. Okay, they all have it. They all have it. Why aren't you feeling fulfilled? What can you do today to change your life? You see how that works? Okay. And this guy, he's great. This guy, I just discovered this guy. I haven't really looked into him much. But he made this page. Now, if you want to do it this way, if you want to do the YouTube thing, that's a great thing too. That's a lot of work. Okay. But I got a great idea from this guy just by looking at this website, because I just started YouTube. Okay, not 2 months ago. Okay, so you click on all of these, it either goes to his affiliate link, okay, or it'll have his YouTube channel on here. Okay, and then of course he's got people opting in. Okay, so it's pretty great setup the way he's got this going. Okay. Let me see where I can find one of his. I think I clicked on the first one, which was like right here. Okay, so this is his YouTube channel.
Hey, it's Niall, and today...
Okay. Good fella. Great voice. Okay, great appearance. A lot of work, gang. It's a lot of work, but it pays off in the end. Okay. So, if you want to go by the template, now if you go here, okay, RWC web pages.webstarts.com. I got my free landing page here from webstarts.com. If you sign up through my link, I'm going to have a link in the description through websites. Webstarts, you sign up with me. I'm an affiliate with them. Okay. And again, I get a small commission. It's the same price to you. In this case, it's free. Okay. So you don't pay nothing. I don't get a commission, but I will guarantee I will help you and give you tech support on how to work this ultimate drag and drop. WebStarts is the ultimate drag and drop. Okay. And, back to what we were talking about with the template. Okay. So, more info about your product goes here. As we go down the line on these things, okay, then you got your testimonials, okay, more info. This is a beautifully laid out site, okay, which you can easily make this site on webstarts.com, okay, easily. You can easily duplicate something like this. You don't want to copy and paste anything, okay. Now, this site here, this was one of the ones where I saw it on YouTube. Okay, now you want to investigate it a little bit. If as an affiliate marketer, that's part of your thing. And what we do, this looks like a ClickFunnels thing because it's got the ClickFunnels icon. Okay, so we're gonna go watch the video. So this is a bridge page. Okay, you see, because it's going into this dextrose thing. And this is a ClickBank product. So obviously that was a bridge page. Okay. In this case, we call it a bridge page because it's short, sweet, and simple. Okay. Site like this is more of a one product page. Okay, you got your opt-in. This is a real book he's going to send you in a real life. He's got the VSL, video sales letter, going on in there, which are fantastic these days with the high-speed internet. Okay, more testimonials, and then the disclosures. Always have your disclosures. Be legit business. Otherwise, you might get a couple sales. If you don't, be a legit business, you're going to fail, okay, and you're going to get kicked off. So if you go here, I'm going to give you this free template, okay? You go there. It's on my free site on webstarts.com, okay? You want to make these pages correctly. You want to do it legit, with all of the proper things that you have to do it. Otherwise, people will not sign up to your affiliate products, okay, and to your mailing list. Okay? And that's how we do it. So this is Ray, the old DOS geek. You've been failing at affiliate marketing. You're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Go to rwcweb.com. Put your best email in this box below, and I shall send you oodles and oodles of great stuff to get your affiliate marketing pages going and help you be the most successful that you can be.